everyone, I'm Anshul Sharma from Astera Labs. Super excited to be here in person at OCP 2024 here in the San Jose McNerney Center. Today we are here at day 3 and we're almost rounding up. But in case you missed seeing us at our booth, I'm happy to take you through a quick 360-degree tour of all the impactful technologies that we have showcased here. Most importantly, the brand new product line, Scorpio Smart Fabric Switches. We are the only one in here showcasing a live Gen 6 demo showcasing end-to-end PCI connectivity using our Scorpio Smart Fabric Switches. So let's take a walk and check it out. So I'm here at the back wall of our booth where we are showcasing end-to-end PCI innovation with 3 demos. We're going to quickly start at the first one, which is demonstrating all of our products and how they fit into an AI platform overall. And then the next would be our live demo showcasing Scorpio Smart Fabric Switches along with Aries PCI Smart Retimers, both running live Gen 6 link. And then we will round it up at the end with our end-to-end PCI cabling portfolio connectivity, which is featuring our smart cable modules for active electrical cabling as well as optical cabling. So let's get started. So right here, we have a static demonstration of what goes inside an AI server. We have an NVIDIA H100 HGX box, which is showcasing our Aries Smart PCI retimers that get connected to a host interface board, which is again demonstrating our Scorpio Smart Fabric Switches. And then last but not the least, going to an AI head node that is demonstrating our Leo Smart Memory Controllers. Now let's move on to our live demo and start of the show showcasing Scorpio Smart Fabric Switches. So here we have a quick demonstration of a Gen 6 Keysight exerciser, which is acting as an endpoint, going to our Aries PCI retimer, which is again a Gen 6 retimer, and then it's getting connected to a Scorpio Smart Fabric Switch, running a Gen 6 live link, as you can see on the screen here. In the back, we are showcasing Cosmos, which is our connectivity optimization system management software. And you can see many different diagnostic details on here. For example, running live BER link at 1E-9, following the industry spec and even beating it. And then on the other side, you can see all the different upstream and downstream port details along with temperatures, etc. So here, this is the only live Gen 6 demo on the OCP show floor, and we are super proud and excited to have you guys join us see that. Let's move on to our last demo on the back wall, which is right here. So here we are showcasing our full portfolio of external cabling solutions, which is featuring our Aries smart cable modules. So in the front here, we have our optical connectivity featuring an 8-lane connection going from a Intel CPU to our Leo Smart Memory Controller endpoint. And then on this side, we have our active electrical cabling solution, which is running, again, a 16-lane link between our Leo Memory Controller as an endpoint and, again, the Intel CPU. So our message here is that we are here with our full portfolio. Whether you're looking at a passive solution, an active, or an optical solution, please reach us out for anything on PCI cabling. All right, so let's now round it up back to the front and take a look at what are we offering on our Ethernet as well as CXL portfolio of devices. A quick look at our live rack demo here, which is advancing rack scale Ethernet networking. In here, we are showcasing our 25 gig and 50 gig per lane products on the Taurus Smart Retimer side, which is our Ethernet portfolio. And along with that, we also have our PCI cables connected here, so you can take a look at it. Again, we have PCI over optics as well as our PCI active cable. And then all of this is being controlled through our common management interface, which is called Cosmos. So let's take a look at it and how that's happening in the front.
It's funny you say that we were looking for somebody with an extra switch so we could add one, but no.
So all of these products that I showcased in the rack are integrated towards into a single interface, which is Cosmos. And here you can go through, for example, I'm going to click on Aries and take a look at all the different diagnostic details, upstream, downstream figure of merits, link speed, status, etc., and then temperature. And then similarly, you can switch on to the Taurus and take a look at similar types of metrics. So with that, rounding it up all the way to the last side of the booth, which is our CXL Smart Memory Controllers. And here we are featuring our Leo CXL Smart Memory Controller, which can actually help you expand memory beyond local attach up to 2 terabyte in a general purpose compute server. And the demo here is talking about how doing that with the help of Leo, can help you achieve high performance when you're running deep learning recommendation models and doing AI inferencing. So this particular demo shows with the use of CXL, we can achieve up to 70% better performance. All right, so that's a wrap. I just walked you through all the demos that we showcased here at OCP 2024, including our recently launched Scorpio Smart Fabric switches. If you're interested in learning more about any of our products, please reach us out at asteralabs.com, and then we are looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.